All right, part 3. So what I'm going to do, I've kind of already resigned myself to the fact that I'm going to put some bow ties in it for them, but I'm going to make two 2-inch passes back to back. You're only going to see one of them here. I just want to show you how the saw cuts after dusting off the teeth, see if you notice any difference. I don't think it's going to be a huge difference, but it's going to be a little bit of a difference in the second pass. And then we'll take the slab off and we'll see what it looks like with these big checks in it, whether it's going to stay together or not. I don't think I have the width to do what I need below this slab. I have plenty of width down here, through here, but down at the end, I don't know if I have the width at 7 feet, which is what I need. I need like 26 inches. I don't know if I have 26 inches at 7 feet on the slab below this. So we're gonna fire it up. You get to see a start. This has been off for a while. I'll try it without choke first and see if it fires right up. And we'll go at it again. Oh, where's my shingles? So we'll try to fire it up, see if it starts without choke. I gotta get these 660s props. They are one of the best starting saws I've ever used in my life. Okay, so it's not going to start without choke. It's been off for a while, so that doesn't surprise me. So I want to show you something. I want to show you the difference between what it's spitting out right now and what it spit out in that second cut. So you look at the pile of chips right here. You see this stuff? This is what it's spitting out right now. That's what it spit out in the second cut. So just dusting that chain off in the mill, that's the difference. What little, like 1 minute it took me to do the whole chain, that's the difference between what it's spitting out. So I'll get you guys set back up. It's self-feeding right now. If anything, I gotta hold it back a little bit to keep it from digging in too much, but I apologize I don't have my mic. At least you can hear the sound of the saw. All right, we'll fire up and we'll finish this one off. just self-feeding right now. It's digging so much I actually can't put any pressure on it. It's just self-feeding through the log. I'm just letting it do what it's doing, what it's going to do. head. What was that? Something just flung off my head. It's not my other glasses. Let me pause you guys 1 second, then we'll pull this slab off. I gotta see if I can find out what that was. I don't know what it was. Well, I don't know what it was. Let's get this slab off. We'll take a look at what's underneath. That cut really good until about right about here. I felt the edge wipe off it. Not really sure why. Hopefully this slab stays in one piece. Yeah, it's pretty cracky. I don't know if it's gonna or not. It's not good. Take a measurement while I get you guys on, since this was a pretty short video. The next slab looks better. Doesn't have the raise that this one's got, but it's, I think, might be a better slab. This one's kind of cracky. This one's awesome, man. It's got great raise in it. This one, the cracks don't go all the way through. So if I have, this is the slab right here. If I have the 26, let's give you guys a look at it before it dries out, so you kind of see the colors. This is pretty nice. It doesn't have all the rays. It's got some rays up there. There's some rays there. You can't really see them good in the light right now, but it's got all rays right there. And it's got rays all down that side and around that knot. It's beautiful. The cracks don't run all the way through, which is what I'm worried about on this one. I can kind of flex this one a little bit on those crack lines. It's not too bad. This one's not a bad looking piece either. It's got all the rays all down through there, which is the reciprocal of that, the book match to that. You can see them down here, all down that side, so that's kind of cool. But I don't like the way that one flexes on those cracks in the middle. I think I got to take one more. So let me set you up here while I measure it. And let's see if we have the width we need to make this countertop out of this next one. It does taper in a lot there. So we're getting down to the bottom of the log. So let's just say, to be safe, go 7.6. I'll go on this side so you can see what I'm doing. I need at least 7'3" just because of that end up there. So that's 7'3" right there. Let's see what the width here. You need it. Oh, I got plenty of width here. I got 26. So I've got almost 28. I've got 28 at 7 feet. So we're going to cut one more slab at 2 inches thick. We're going to clear out all that sawdust. Instead of carrying these, I'll leave these up here. We've got to fill up again. We're going to clear out all that move that sawdust over so I'm not hitting it. And make one more pass at 2 inches thick. And I think this one will be their countertop. There's only one little funky section right here. It looks like I'm okay. I'm like 26, so it's 26 right there. That's to the inside of the punky section, so I think I'm okay. I think this is good. Nothing punky out here. This is nice and solid. So let's kick one more out of here. And I do not think I'm going to video this one. I think I'll just do this one without you guys, and then I'll get probably that slab up top somewhere where I can put his template on it and cut it out, and I think that's going to do it. I think that's going to be the one that we're going to use. We'll square up that end down there, And like I said, those cracks are kind of getting less and less and less, so that one's going to be more solid than that one. If I have to use that one, I will. But, and one more cut here is going to be pretty much the end of it anyway. If you look at the end of the log, we're going to be down in the dirt pretty much after that. So I think the rest of it's just going to be a big bench or a big outside table or something. We'll just jack it up on one end and put the log under it or something and make it an outside table around the fire pit. So that's what we're going to do. And for right now, once again, thank you for the watch. And if you have any questions, hit me up. I do answer everything back. But for right now, this is Power Solutions out.